Beautiful ladies and perfect gentlemen, every Wednesday we are live with MC Omari Nash on one show.
Oh, kuanzia saa 4.
So kuanzia saa 4 ya? Every usiku. Wednesday usiku.
Kwa Facebook na YouTube.
Kwa Facebook na YouTube.
Alright, Manilungu ni MC Onyulo, the king of Luo comedy. Allow me to call you that?
The king, of course, you know. You know it. Wano kwasa comedy neka ibiru tika udosi nito.
Konjogie kagiwinjo ni you are the king of Luo comedy. Say,
ladies and gentlemen, I'm the king of Luo comedy. What do you say?
King of Luo comedy, Onyulo declares.
Kajigeni get beef moro nigin ginyalo kelo beef. To gikel jochi edi mondo jochi mpa moja mondo wat bed.
Onyulo se wacho ni ene the king of Luo comedy. Koro koponi nitie beef moro luonga, I'll do that. Yeah. I'll do that. They gave
man the other one on one. Any comedian, Luo comedian is disputing the fact that I'm the king of Luo comedy. Be walad one on one to wago jokes 1 hour. Kodi. Ongenwe jokes.
Ongenwe joke.
Ongenwe 1 hour.
1 hour. Waketo kamera.
In fact, wadhi kodi 1 year. To onge luokbe. Kora dwa neno kamudwa nyale.
Maniluongo ni MC Onyulo.
Kaka nonyuol kila ng'ato. Onge pando. Inyalo pando gimoro fuko ni kare somo.
MC Onyulo has declared himself to be the king of Luo comedy. Koponi ati ingi issue moro luonga.
Every Wednesday, tuko live na MC Omari Nash.
Like style masani ati Omar comedy and me I imagine I imagine gik moko ni koro chieng' moro wanyalo kata mana chiewe yudo ka koro pi modho kata mana ngawa pi modho nyamo kata mana niang like what like manegima that is the future by the way.
Every Wednesday tuko live na MC Omari Nash.
Kuro niango neno kata ni sweet nyodho bolgam nyamo kata mana
ni komi yudo ka chandore ot manyuku modo be
kom bende jaode nyocho weyo ojiko kare no se chwanye gi jahode.
Alright, Maniluongo ni MC Onyulo, the king of Luo comedy. Allow me to call you that?
The king, of course, you know. You know it. Wano kwasa comedy neka ibiru tika udosi nito.
Every Wednesday tuko live na MC Omari Nash. Every Wednesday tuko live na MC Omari Nash. Every Wednesday tuko live na MC Omari Nash. Every Wednesday tuko live na MC Omari.
Tell me a little story of is not went viral one. I know that clip is not just a clip, it is an international clip. Tell me something about this. Is not how did it come, Makoro? Because without that clip I would have not known somebody like MC Onyulo. I think it would have taken time for me to reach you. Because something about is not.
It's not true.
Every Wednesday we are live with MC Omari Nash. Please tune in.
Tune in.
Yes.